Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this case, we are going to discuss a case relating to the law students which occurred on 23rd August 2022 in Visakhapatnam. We all know that Andhra University is a very famous university, and the law college, Dr. Ambedkar College of Law, is very famous, popular, and so many High Court judges, including the judges of Supreme Court of India, have also were the products of the same college. Such is the reputation attached to the college. Of course, there was another college by name Dr. Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University, maintained by Nalsar. Previously, it was there in Chinnavalter. Now it is shifted to its own premises in Sabbavaram. Right. When you are studying law, you must behave like law students. Legal profession is the noblest, one of the noblest professions at least. I call it as the noble profession. It's one of the noblest professions. So you must maintain the dignity of a law student, because lawyer is a social engineer. Before becoming a lawyer, you must acquire the habits of a lawyer, but should not indulge in street fights. As an advocate, when somebody comes saying that, sir, I am involved in this particular case, you have to defend him. But if you yourselves are involving in such street fights, then whom are you going to defend? And at the same time, whom are you going to tell? Tomorrow you have to represent as a lawyer in the same court. Now you have to present yourself as an accused. Why I am telling this, all these introductory part is, as law students, you must maintain the dignity, the decorum, the sanctity of law. But what happened is, on 23/8/2022, there was a clash between about 15 students, 9 on one side and 6 on the other side. And these students, out of them are 6 law students, they belong to, or they are students of Dr. Ambedkar Law College, Andhra University. This happened in MVP Colony, Visakhapatnam, Sector 1. So when there was a clash going on, some of the public, they telephoned, they dialed 100. Ultimately, it reached MEP police station. They came to the spot and stopped them and booked both these people under different sections of law for assaulting each other. And this has become an incident which is a sensation in Visakhapatnam, because people say that one of the accused is the son of a YSRP Sigadam Bharat or somebody. So one of the accused is related to that political party. So let us, because it has become a political issue, I am telling. Otherwise, I am not worried about the political aspects. As regards the legality, now they are booked under maybe at least 324 read with 34, 325 read with 34. If 147, 148 is added, then common intention will come, common objective will come into account. Then, of course, in jocular terms, it will be experience for you, because how the accused feels before the court, you may get experience, but that should not be. During the observation of the court classes, you will be seeing so many people, but you should not become an accused. This is not our wish. So ultimately what happened is, the public informed dial 100 that some rowdies or some youth, useless fellows are fighting in the street. Police came and stopped them. Of course, when they were taken to the police station, both groups complained against each other. Case and counter case, they have been registered, and since the persons, the youth, they have got injuries, they were shifted to the King George Hospital, Visakhapatnam. Of course, I think by Wednesday itself they should have been discharged. I don't know whether they are discharged or not, but simple injuries are simple. And the ACP, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Dwarka Subdivision, Mr. RVSN Murthy, who worked along with me in Rajahmundry, yes, he stated that they have been divided into two groups. Why? Because dominance over the other. Actually, at the time they are belonging to first year, second year and final year students. Final year, that means third year. 1, 2, 3, all of them are there. Earlier, they were all very good friends. This is the version of the DSP. Earlier, they are all very good friends. One group actually slowly started dominating the other. Therefore, they were split into two groups and they used to quarrel on petty issues. Ultimately, dominance is the main criteria for this problem. Of course, the general view is that the dispute arose regarding the taking or inhaling or consuming ganja. I don't know whether it's correct or not, but DSP says, no sir, it is not involved in relation to the consumption of ganja. Only the troubles is regarding the so-called dominance of one over the other, and we are not going to tolerate people resorting to such violent activities. That too, going to would-be advocates. And he has booked both cases. Now they have to suffer. Since it is only 41-year notice, they need not go to the remand. But anyway, they have to face the wrath of the court, which we are not expected. So please remember, this is not only the incident. I think in 2017, I have noted somewhere. In 2017, student clash in Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University. This is also the Sabavaram, just now I told you. Says clash between the seniors and juniors, as a result of which 3 persons were injured at Sabavaram. Luckily, they did not give any report in the Pendurthi police station. Right? No complaint was given. But here also, the newspaper report says that ganja is the main source of trouble. So please remember, there also, when the assistant professor or university, some officer, when he was consulted, he said that it is only ego clash, not ganja clash. So the element of ganja is coming in the news in between two incidents. So better be careful. So as law students, whoever is saying this video, you must maintain the dignity and decorum of law. Please remember, legal education is one of the noblest education. Legal profession is the noblest profession. Don't undermine the same. Don't do any act which comes into disgrace for the legal profession. Okay, with this I am stopping. Thank you very much.